All right.
So your modeling chocolate is now on top of the cake that's been in the refrigerator for about 40 minutes.
Freezer.
Freezer?
Yeah.
Okay, freezer for 40 minutes.
The ice box. Just call it
Right.
ice box.
The ice box.
Okay, now I didn't get it too thin. Let's see. Can you see how thin that is?
Yeah, that's
I didn't get it too thin that it's going to break on me. You can tell, I mean, it's pretty strong stuff, right? So that I can press it into my indent here.
it's not going to crack. It's not going to break or anything.
Watch, I'm going to say it's not going to crack in there. Be the Murphy's Law right there. Okay. Now this is where you don't have to get all perfect with your outer rim because
That's right. We're going for bark.
they're not perfectly round, and this cake right now is perfectly round. Right?
Gotcha.
So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna let, I know this is anti-fondant, but we're gonna let some folds happen.
Oh,
And it's easier
Is that legal?
way. I know, right? It's like sacrilegious or something. So we're gonna let some folds happen, even some like crease action.
oh, I don't know about that.
I know,
I know
it's
about that.
awful.
Slow down.
It's just awful.
Slow down.
It's so awful. But easier,
Oh, a whole lot.
Right?
easier. And fast. Look at that.
look how fast. From this angle, you can see that it's looking a little less perfectly round, right?
A little bit.
Because of
Yeah.
because of our folds and stuff.
Yeah, you got your folds and your spindles, mutilates.
Okay, so cut off the excess. I almost dropped it. Hello. That's what we cake artists have nightmares about,
Yeah.
is dropping cakes.
Is there a little piece of that in your way?
Sure.
In your way? Yeah, I see that.
You want to try Scott? You want some Scott?
Yeah. Oh my. Oh yeah.
Pretty tasty.
Oh yeah.
So that's another reason to use modeling chocolate, is it's
Oh,
dang
yeah.
tasty. It's like white chocolate Tootsie Roll, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well, if you got your killer cake going on, like I already tasted an hour ago, and you got your killer icing, your buttercream, you don't want to mess it up with something
Cruddy stuff
nasty
on it,
fondant
right?
or nasty anything.
Okay,
Wow, this is good.
got that. Okay.
Okay.
Now, we will put this on here, and let me get, in the interest of time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show how the bark comes out, and we're gonna attach some bark,
Yep.
and then I'm going to paint with the chocolate to show you the bark texture technique,
Okay.
but I'm not gonna do the whole cake.
In the bark?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, if we end up having time, because I would really love to show you the couple extra things I came prepared
Oh
with.
yeah.
Okay, so here's our bark, and we're gonna unroll it.
Okay, because we still have an hour.
We still have a rabbit to do.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
right,
Okay,
there's
so
the rabbit.
we only have an hour.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Oh, this
See
looks
what
cool.
I mean? Okay.
Look how cool this is.
So, dun dun dun.
Ta-da!
Bark.
And you didn't do anything except unroll it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Pretty excellent. All right, now I'm going to take my trusty pastry bag again. Right. So I have melted chocolate here in my bag.
That's dark chocolate.
It's 58.
That's really good.
It's good stuff, huh?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna put a little bit of melted chocolate right here. Woohoo! And I'm going to attach.
Chocolate glue.
Chocolate glue. Chocolate adheres chocolate perfectly.
Now that's the guittared chocolate glued to the modeling chocolate.
No,
No?
this is all the same chocolate. This is all the tempered chocolate out of that bowl. Remember when we spread this on,
Right?
right? It's the same exact chocolate that I just put in this bag. That make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So see how I'm just kind of attaching here as we go? And I have a really tiny hole in this bag so that it's not gonna sit here and drip all over the place on me,
Yeah.
because that's kind of annoying.
Just for accuracy.
Right. And it's kind of fun to pick different, don't put it in the don't try to put your chocolate in the concave part. Put it on the convex part so that it has something to adhere to. And then you can even use your little pieces. Oh, I'm getting, there we go.
Convex and concave, even the words are
See, I
scientific.
know.
Look at you going.
Right? Go see how I put a little piece there to fill in a little bit, right?
Nice, nice.
Okay.